This video is about session 7 apply cell and range names. Students, we are well aware of cell or cell address. If you select any cell, then their cell address is shown in the name box. Like I click here, then its cell address G8. Another one is range. Continuous group of cells is known as range. You can select it horizontally as well as vertically. Now, Excel provides us with another option of referring to a range of cells by giving a suitable and meaningful name to the cell range. We can give name to this range. Naming a cell or range of cell is much more user-friendly technique than working with cell coordinates because we can easily understand or learn the names. You can use it for quickly locating the specific cell by entering their names. This could be useful when working with a large spreadsheet. When we have long information, then we can use this feature, naming a range. Now let me see how can we define a name for a range. For example, I select the Ramesh marks. Now I can give name to this range. Now let me see how can we do this. First of all, we have to select the range of cells that you want to name. Select the range of cells that you want to name. Then on the formula tab in the define name group, formula tab, define name group, click on the define name. Now here name is Ramesh. You can give the name as per your choice. Here I give the name Ramesh. In scope, you can define the scope. Means that specify the availability of the range name by choosing workbook, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 as per your requirement, and refers to the sheet cell address C5 to H5, and then click on OK. Now you can see that this range can be named as Ramesh. Now let me see how can we use a named range. For example, if I want to total here, total of Ramesh marks, and how can we do this with the help of named range? For that, first of all, we have to use the sum function equal to sum opening bracket, then in the formula tab and define name group we have use in formula, drop down arrow, click, here we have Ramesh, and then click on Ramesh and closing bracket and press enter. So you can see that total of Ramesh marks will be shown on the cell. Now in this way we can using a named range. Our next topic is how can we managing a range names. We can edit, delete, change in the named range. Now let me see how can we do this. For that we have to move to the formula tab and define name group, and then a name manager. Click on the name manager. A new window will open. Here we have new. You can define new range, edit in the range. Now if I want to change the range name, we can do from here. Like I want to change it Ramesh 1 and click on OK. Now this cell range name is Ramesh 1. In the same way, if I want to delete range name, For that, we have to move to the formula tab and then define name group and move to the name manager. From here, I select Ramesh and click on delete. Now, if I click on OK, this range name will be deleted from the workbook. So this is our session 7, apply cell and range names.